wander through valleys, trying to find my own way, carrying burdens too heavy for my soul to hold. And through the silence I heard your voice again, calling me closer, leading me back home. You never stop pursuing me, even when I could not see. You are the good shepherd, leading me beside still waters. You restore my weary soul. You never let me go. Through shepherd, lead me on. When I start drifting, when my heart forgets your peace, you gently remind me I was never meant to walk alone. Somehow your mercy keeps finding me again. You are the good shepherd, leading me beside still waters. You restore my weary soul. You never let me go. Through every shadow, through every fear I carry, your voice keeps calling me home. Good shepherd, lead me on. I will not fear when you are near. You walk beside me, you stay beside me, yeah. Your love protects, oh, your voice still leads, oh, and I can trust where you are taking me. You are the good shepherd, faithful through every season. You carry